So let us move to the fourth part of the video of the first chapter of English literature book. So you remember now this girl, she told Mr. Nuttall that there was a tragedy around 3 years ago. So now Mr. Nuttall is shocked as how is it possible that in such a restful, such a quiet and nice place, relaxed, peaceful place, a tragedy can happen. It seemed to him that it is something which is out of place, which cannot happen. So you may wonder why we keep that window wide open on a October afternoon, said the niece, indicating a large French window that opened on to a lawn. So now she started to cook her story. So just to keep the communication going and to amuse herself through her story, she started and to cooking up stories. You may wonder, so she's asking him, you may think that why this window has been kept open in the afternoon, October afternoon. And she pointed out to the French window that was opening to the onto a lawn in her house. It is quite warm for the time of the year, said Frampton. But has that window got anything to do with the tragedy? So now he's telling, yes, it is quite warm, and so now he's telling, why do you, is there something that has, this window has to do with the tragedy? So now he's also trying to ask her question that why is she talking about the window? Out through that window 3 years ago to a day, her husband and her two young brothers went off for their day's shooting. So now she started cooking up that story that out this is the window from where on 3 years ago, today is the day that her husband and the two young brothers went off for their day's shooting. They never came back. In crossing the moor to their favorite snip shooting ground, they were all three engulfed in a treacherous piece of bog. So now she's telling that this was the window that Mrs. Sappleton's husband and two brothers went out for this shooting, and she's telling that they never came back. And in the crossing the moor, so the moor is a highland covered with grass and bushes. So she's telling the favorite snip shooting ground. Snip shooting is when you hide and you shoot something. Okay, during the shooting act of shooting someone from a position, people hide from a position where they cannot be seen. That is snipe shooting ground. So they were all three engulfed. Engulfed is they were all completely surrounded or covered. It can be through by snow or smoke or flood or whatever. That is engulfed in a treacherous piece of bog. Treacherous is dangerous piece of bog. Bog is a wet and a soft land. So she's telling that when they went there for the snip shooting, they were engulfed, and they were engulfed in a bog, and they never returned back. It had been that dreadful wet summer, and places that were safe in other years gave way suddenly without warning. Their bodies were never recovered. So recovered is found. It was their bodies never recovered. We never got their bodies also. That was the dreadful part of it. So she is telling, okay, something bad has happened. The tragedy took place, but the tragedy was such that we could not get their bodies also. We could not find their bodies, and that is why it is so dreadful. So causing fear and threat. Dreadful is causing fear and threat. Here's the child voice lost its self-possessed note and became falteringly human. So she was very smart girl, very very cunning over here, right? So she the expression of her voice was such that anybody could believe whatever she was telling. So she was very very smart, imaginative, and cunning in her approach, in her way of cooking stories. So next part in the next video.